Hello, in this tutorial you will learn how to use conditional formatting in Excel to highlight values. So if I have this example, I have students and I have their grades, and I want Excel to highlight me the grades that are below 10 with the red, for instance, and the one that are 10 and above with green. So what do? First, I select all the values I'm talking about. Then I go to conditional formatting. I press highlight cells, and first I want to select the greater than. Greater than, I want everything that is greater than 10 to be highlighted in green. Okay. Then I keep selected. I go to highlight cells less than 10 to be in light red. And of course, I don't want to forget those who are equal to 10. Let them be also in green. Now, if I have a value here, for instance, 8, and it should have been 18, directly Excel will highlight it with the respective color. Here, for instance, if it is 2, it will become like this